Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel, and if you guys are new, hi, my name is Alexis Jayda and welcome. Today I got Babe, Rudy.
Oh, what?
You guys love when I have Babe in the videos, so let's get started. Ready, Babe?
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Alright, so our first package is from ColourPop, and they sent their new beauty sponges. So this is the full beat blending sponge kit. So they have the velvet, the detail, the hourglass, the complexion, and the silicone, which I thought was freaking cool. So let me know down below, because I already have an idea in mind that I want to try every single one, doing a different face, you know, like explaining to you guys how this one feels, how that one feels, just to get like the whole like gist of it right away, like right at the bat. Is that how you say it? Yeah, right at the bat. How we say back? Right at the bat, this one feels like the Juno one. Oh damn, this one feels really good. The one I'm excited about is the detail one. This one feels really good. Oh my god. So thank you so much to ColourPop. So next is from Benefit. This one was really like, oh my god, when I opened it. So dun, 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 they sent me the whole collection of the Gimme Brow, like the whole shade range.
And I was gonna say but you already seen it.
Yeah, and the whole shade range of the Precisely My Brow pencils, all of the shades. So I thought that was so freaking cool. Okay, so Babe had a really good idea. So I'll be giving you guys the shades that don't fit me. I'm only probably gonna take the 4, and then the rest I'll put in the giveaway. For the eyebrow pencils, I do want to do a video where I do like every single shade, but I don't know, maybe I will, maybe I won't, maybe I'll just be like, you know what, let's just have a giveaway, you know what I mean? But you guys let me know down below if that would be a good idea, because my LA girl video, I did an eyebrow swatch for every single color, and a lot of you guys found that extremely helpful. So you guys let me know down below. But thank you so much to Benefit Cosmetics.
If I look like I just woke up, it's because I just woke up.
Yeah. So next package is from Tarte Cosmetics. It says, Tarte, in celebration of International Women's Day, we're honoring all female, cooperative, empowering local women in the Amazon. Powered by Girl Power. And in here we have the Glossy Lip Oil, the Tinted Hydrator, and the Miracle Mist Setting Spray. I'm excited. So we got the setting spray, and then we got...
Yeah, I don't know what she got into.
Oh, super sensitive. Jade!
What did you do? What do you mean you don't know? You turned all the lights off. Yeah, all the lights, you turned them off?
Baby Jade's in the room and she totally just cut off all the lights. That was funny. Alright, so we got the setting spray. This is going to be pretty cool. It says Miracle Setting Spray. I can't wait to try this. Kind of reminds me of the Morphe spray. Just the continuous, you know, the spray, you know. And then we have the Tarte Tinted Hydrator. And they sent me my shade. So I'm really excited to try this out. And then we got the Glossy Lip Oil. Can I put the lip oil on you? No. It's just a lip oil. I'm
not feeling stuff on my... And like I'm drinking and stuff, like not on the lips.
Oh my god, smell that. It smells like cotton candy. But thank you so much to Tarte Cosmetics. Next package is from L'Oreal.
I don't think it got in there. I think I sprayed it like this way.
Oh, I was telling you. Look, I got a scrunchie. Oh, from my hair, from my hair, from my hair.
Okay.
Get off my hair. Ow!
Feels very, a lot of knots on there.
Your kids are cute with me, man. They're like, oh my god, it feels so soft, Mom. Really? I was like, thanks, guys.
Just, dude, they're a bunch of little liars. We gotta start telling them to tell the truth and stuff, you know?
That chocolate was good. I gripped it good. So, L'Oreal sent over their L'Oreal Elvive. Their L'Oreal Elvive Dream Lengths Restoring Shampoo and Detangler Conditioner, no haircut cream, leave-in, fine castor oil, and vitamin D. You
know what's crazy about this? That like I coupon these, and so I have like every other one, like to strengthen the hair. Like I got the black one, the pink one. There's like all kinds. I have all kinds of these ones.
So I can't wait to try this one out because like Rudy mentioned, he's been getting a lot of them. And I've been trying out every single one. Like so far, I like the thickening one. That one really does thicken up your hair. Like, I don't know. And then when you're just in there lathering, it feels amazing. So I can't wait to try this one out.
I know, that's so cool. Right?
So thank you so much to L'Oreal. I guess the kids to my mom video doing ojitos. Oh, okay. So next package. Oh my god. Sorry.
Fucking cough around me.
I know. I'm sorry. It was like my throat got dry.
A dry cough.
So next package is from Ipsy. This was. What do you want me to do? How am I supposed to continue, pendejo?
Low key, try not to trip out. Like that was a dry cough. Like why did I cough? You look like you're just like thinking like why did I cough?
I swear I swallowed some of this. That's why. Anyways, so this was my last month's Ipsy box. So I cashed in my points for you guys for this one. This is the Morphe EL. Yeah, you can go in there and you can like, you know,
it just sounds like I cashed in my points for you guys. I'm gonna use it, but I did it for you guys. Like it just sounded funny.
What do you mean I'm gonna use it? Like I'm gonna give it to them.
It just sounded funny, like.
You guys have seen me use this in the videos, so I have mine and you guys will have this one. I thought it was so cool. This one right here.
This looks cool.
The coffee scrub, and that is part of the Ipsy. So this is one of the Ipsy products. This is the coffee coconut body scrub.
Okay.
Oh, smell this, smell this, smell this, smell this, smell this.
Makes me want to drink it.
Oh god, that smells so good. And then the next thing we got was the Balm Cosmetics Auto Balm Day to Night.
What is this? Glam Glow.
Here it is. I'm gonna put this in the giveaway for you guys because honestly, I'm probably not gonna use it. So we're working on doing that, you know, not keeping stuff. The next thing is the Revitalizing Gel. This is under eye gel. I'm always interested in skincare, so I can't wait to try this one out. Next thing in here is the Complete Culture Precision Concealer Brush. We got one of their brushes last Ipsy box. Do you remember? It was like kind of like this, but bigger. And so I'm excited to try the concealer brush because it feels pretty nice. I don't know.
That looks cool.
Yeah, but I was like, I don't know. Maybe to contour, not concealer. I don't know, not really a big... I feel like I'll just waste so much product of a concealer. And I feel like I'm more stingy with my concealer than I am with my bronzer, you know? And then the other item we got on Ipsy, the last thing, is the Lip Oil Pink. That's pretty nice.
Okay.
So the lip oil. Other goodies are things that I cashed in. So I got a Superfood Air Whip Moisturizing Cream, Youth People. And it's just this little baby sample right here. Little chiquito sample.
What's that for?
It's a moisturizer.
Let me see. Where does it go?
Yeah, there.
My whole face?
Yeah. The next thing is a Deep Cleanse Pores Clay Mask. This is pretty exciting. Another skincare product. And then we have the Luna Liner Water Resistant Liquid Eyeliner. Then we have the Glam Glow Hollywood California Tropical Cleanse Daily Exfoliating Cleanser. And it's a big bottle, so good job. I can't wait to try that out. So yeah, that was all of the Ipsy box. Alright guys, next package is from Drunk Elephant. We got their whole new body line, shampoo, body, everything. So I'm gonna just say it right now. I use a lot of it, okay? I already took a shower, lathered my hair up. My hair feels so freaking soft, you guys. It feels so good. I don't know why Rudy tried to play me earlier. I was really excited because I was like, oh, feel it. Like, it just feels so good. But it probably could just be like, because it's like clean hair, you know? But
it feels extra soft. Yeah. It just always feels soft to me. So
all of a sudden.
Pass me the roll.
Anyways, right here. So I used the shampoo and the conditioner. It was pretty freaking good. The shampoo, it's like one of those shampoos that your hair is left like it removed like all the dirt, you know? Then you go with the conditioner and then it starts like making it feel like ooh again, you know? And another thing I did try was this the deodorant. Now, homegirl over here sweats. I have stress sweat, and if you guys know what stress sweat is, it stinks, all right? It's like it's really powerful. I feel like this is gonna work more for Babe and not so much me. It didn't work for me.
What?
Yeah, it didn't. I was like, oh my god. And Nick's like, I know. I was like, so this is not anxiety and panic attacks free, because like it gets bad, you guys, and I could smell myself and I was so sad. I have to use that like double armor.
You haven't taken the tag off?
No, why do you do that stuff? So yeah, if anything, I'll probably be able to wear it on days where it's like I'm chilling, you know. But like when it's like stressful days, I won't be able to get away with it because I sweat, you guys. Like my sweat and Rudy's sweat completely different. Like Rudy doesn't even really sweat, and when he sweats, it's not even that bad. Mine,
I can't go like a couple days without wearing deodorant. I'll be alright, like maybe like 2, 3.
Yeah, and me, no, I can't even go 1 day because I'm like, oh my gosh, how did I forget? Crazy, and it's like, So yeah, I already tried this out. You guys know I'm weird. I still put everything back together like how I got it and stuff. You guys already know.
What do you think?
Yeah, the detangler I really did love though, because my hair, I did bleach it and like add highlights and stuff. So my hair was like more like, oh, I gotta be more careful with it, you know? So when I put the detangler in it and I can actually work the comb through, I was like really happy. So this I'm really excited about. The detangler for sure. I'm stoked. We got the cream body cleanser. I did not try this out. I just like grabbed the shampoo and conditioner and I just like went into the shower and I was like, yeah, I should have like really looked at everything. So I'm excited to try the cleanser. I'll let you guys know. The packaging is so freaking adorable there, you guys. Like, Mina, it is so freaking cute,
yeah,
right?
I like their packaging, like.
Right? It's so cute. So we have the body lotion. I'll open right now because I didn't. And then we have, oh, this is what I'm excited about. The scalp scrub. I'm excited about that because I be having a dry scalp sometimes where you go like that and I can just, and I pick up my scalp a lot too. So I'm excited to try this one. At first I thought it was like one of those.
Look at that. Just the deodorant.
Do you see this? It's like.
Like I just like their whole like.
Everything, right? It's like nice. I'm gonna try the lotion right now to let you guys. This is so cute. It's like past me, you know, this is just like, it screams fancy, you know? And then they sent the robe, you guys. The robe, I was obsessed. I like did a little like photo shoot by myself. And what I thought was so cool about this, it says, you just saved 8 plastic bottles from the landfill. And I thought that was so cool that this was made out of like, you know, recyclables and stuff. So I was excited about that. Oh yeah, we got ligas and stuff, Drunk Elephant. I was like, oh my god. I was more excited about this. I was like it was so cool, and it says Drunk Elephant on it. So yeah, you guys know I'm a huge fan of Drunk Elephant. Like,
this is cool looking. What is this for?
It's a body scrub to like scrub your body with.
Getting that good, huh? Like los huevos. Like.
Ay, wey. What the fuck?
Are you sure that's what it is?
What? Like, yes, it is. Yeah, it says brush it off. Dry brushing the body sweeps away dead cells, leaving the skin and glowing and energized. What are you doing?
What? I'm a DJ.
Yeah, a huge thank you to Drunk Elephant. I cannot wait to use all the products and give you guys like an update on everything. So thank you so much to Drunk Elephant. All right, you guys, next package is from Salon Perfect. So this is a Salon Perfect Lash DNA, and they came out with different styles. I'm wearing one of the styles right now, which is this one right here, and it's for almond eyes. So that is so cool. Yeah, so thank you so much to Salon Perfect.
How do you guys do it? Like, que no se me vean las chichis, eh? No. Hey.
It looks good on you. You look really good.
Thanks.
Eh?
Well, like that para que cleavage, huh? That's how you guys do it, huh? Like, oh no, I'm a woman of God, but
it's a child of mine.
Like that.
I hope you guys enjoyed. Please stay safe. Please wash your guys' hands. Please be safe. It is crazy out there, and we need to stay inside.
Lávense el culo.
Yes.
Wash your ass.
We need to stay inside so we can get through this and we can have an amazing 2021. And it sucks saying that.
We're skipping all the way to next year.
Skipping all the way to next year because honestly, I feel like no one's gonna listen until like we all have to be on timeout, and it's just like and it's just gonna keep pushing it out more and more. So that's why I'm saying 2021, that's the freaking year, you know. We hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in our
I'm going that way. Oh, sounds so funny. My baby. They got makeup on everywhere. Or bronzer or something like that they put on for the glow. I didn't see like her facial